Discover the precision and power of linear guides for CNC machines, industrial automation, machine tools, robotics, and 3D printers. High-precision linear guide for CNC machines. Our high-precision linear guide is designed specifically for use in CNC machines, ensuring smooth and accurate movement in even the most demanding applications. With its high precision and robust construction, this guide is ideal for machine tools that require consistent, reliable performance. Linear motion guide for industrial automation. This linear motion guide is optimized for use in industrial automation systems, providing smooth and efficient movement for a variety of applications. Its advanced design and superior quality materials make it a top choice for modern manufacturing and assembly lines. Heavy-duty linear guide rail for machine tools. Our heavy-duty linear guide rail is built to withstand the rigors of heavy industrial use, making it the perfect choice for machine tools and other high-stress applications. With its reinforced structure and precise manufacturing, this guide rail ensures long-lasting performance and minimal maintenance. Smooth, linear guideway for robotics, designed specifically for use in robotic systems. Our smooth linear guideway provides precise, reliable movement for a wide range of robotic applications. Its sleek design and quiet operation make it ideal for use in sensitive environments. Compact linear guide for 3D printers. This compact linear guide is the perfect choice for 3D printers and other space-limited applications. Despite its small size, it offers excellent precision and smooth operation, ensuring high-quality results in every print job.